Meet the LIOEEJUM handheld vacuum, a lightweight, cordless powerhouse that makes cleaning your car or home quick and effortless. Don't let its size fool you. This thing's a beast. With strong suction power, it easily picks up dust, crumbs, pet hair, and all the little messes that build up in your car seats or floor mats. You'll be surprised at how much this compact vacuum can pull in.
This is probably my favorite accessory because it can reach right into my cup holders. And wow, what a good job it does. Look at that. Oh, that made a big difference.
It's completely cordless, which means no more wrestling with tangled cables or searching for outlets. Just grab it and go. Whether you're cleaning between seats, under the couch, or even your keyboard, it's lightweight and portable enough to use anywhere. And you get these handy attachments. A flat nozzle for those tight spots, a brush for vents and carpets, an extension tube to reach deep under seats or in the corners you can't normally get. Each tool has a purpose, and together they make cleaning a lot faster and a lot easier. And here's a little secret that the professional detailers won't tell you. You don't always have to use a vacuum to get into those tight crevices. Sometimes you have to spin it all around and use a blower. That then loosens a lot of the dirt and hard to reach grime, and then you suck it up. And guess what? This little cordless handheld vacuum is also a blower. It's going to make cleaning a breeze. This runs on a powerful 6,000 milliamp battery that gives you up to 30 minutes of cleaning time on a single charge. And when you're done, it recharges quickly using a standard USB cable. That means you can charge it in your car, at home, or on the go. It's also impressively quiet. The high-speed brushless motor delivers strong suction without the loud noise you'd expect, under 70 decibels, so you can clean without disturbing anyone around you. And when you're done, the dust cup pops right off and the HEPA filter is washable. So it's ready to go again in seconds. If you want a cordless vacuum that actually delivers, grab this today. It's going to keep your car and your home spotless.